Hello and welcome back to my channel Breathing Gratitude in association with 360 Degrees Solutions. This is Dr. Arthur Gomes, Master Practitioner, Life Coach and Mentor. And this morning I bring to you one more, I repeat, one more money attraction technique again with lime and salt. When life gives us lemon, we ought to make lemonade. I said that in my earlier video as well. Now what I mean by this is make the best of what you have. Now, for this ritual, you require just one lime or iodized or rock salt. Now, take a nice big lime, which is not ripe, but from the green to the yellow, transitioning. So, you have some green on it as well. And you need some rock salt. If you have rock salt, I prefer that. If not, iodized salt will do. Now what you need to do is cut the lemons into half. Make them into two halves. Apply the rock salt to it, to both of it, and just rub it a little. Keep it on a plate and keep it in the east direction or the northeast direction of your home. You can also keep it in your living room where no one is aware of this. You can keep it in your bedroom for a sound sleep. You can also keep it in the other rooms like your washroom. Okay? Now, when you keep this lime, it absorbs all the negativity, all the wrong vibes. It absorbs the evil eye. There's black magic done, absorbs all that. It also changes its color because of that. You can keep this lime even in your cash box, the place where you keep your cash. You can also keep this on the table where you're working, because that is where the money is coming from. So you can keep it on your table also. Now, once you do this, after 2-3 days, you'll notice a lot of positive changes happening in your ecosystem. Life's becoming normal, life is good, a lot of inquiries coming and money finding its way to you. And while you're doing this, continue to take inspired actions at your end. Do best what you're doing right now. And put your best foot forward, keeping the outcome in mind. Don't question who, where, when, what, why, how and how much, because that will bog you down. Just stop questioning logic and go by the age-old wisdom. This has been used for so many years, even before you and me were born. Now do this ritual with the 3F methodology. As simple as that. Faith, feelings and focus. After you do this, let go. Let the universe take it on from here, because you know it. The universe timing is perfect. The universe knows what's right for you and when should it be given to you. Now, as I'm talking about this ritual, friends, we're running a parallel online self-paced study program called the 3-in-1 Clap Master Practitioner Program for Law of Attraction, NLP and Mindfulness, which equips you across 12 modules across 3 weeks with all the required techniques that you wanted, you were dreaming of, but you didn't have it. Now, how many books on law of attraction are you going to read, and NLP and mindfulness? All that has been compressed in your search and it's come to you in a capsule of 12 modules. At the end of 3 weeks, you have a 100 marks assessment where 85 is passing, and then you get your wonderful certification of trained master practitioner for the law of attraction, NLP and mindfulness. We already have 92 members from India and globally who've registered and got certified, and 8 of them who are going through their assessment right now due to be certified. So I want more and more of you to come forward, take the program and equip yourselves with all those techniques you require for a wonderful, flamboyant life ahead. Don't you want that? So don't waste time. Call on the number below and change your life right now. You can find my videos on LinkedIn, Facebook pages, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Do share, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to see more such videos to educate you, upgrade, and upskill you. Thanks for watching. You take care, stay safe, wear your mask, sanitization is your priority, and you have a wonderful day ahead, my friends. Take care. Bye bye. Tada.